In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the place photo in Waze 2026 step by step. To get started, go to Waze in your browser. For this tutorial, you'll want to make sure you are opening the Waze map editor because that's where place details and photos can be viewed and managed. If the page looks like a map with editing tools and panels around it, you're in the right place. Once you're on the Waze map editor, take a look over to the right side of the screen. This area usually contains tools and controls that help you work with the map. If you're new to the editor, don't worry, you won't need to use anything too advanced for this process. On the right side, click on the pencil icon. This opens the editing interface and gives you access to more detailed place information. After you click it, you should now be in the Waze edit view. This is the section where you can search for locations and inspect their details more closely. Now go to the search bar and type in the place where you want to see the photos. Be as specific as you can when entering the location name, since that can help the correct result appear more quickly on the map. Once you've typed it in, press enter on your keyboard. After that, the place should appear on the map. When you see it, click directly on the place. This selects the location and opens its information so you can review more of its details. If nothing seems to happen at first, just make sure you clicked on the place marker itself and not an empty area of the map. Once the place is selected, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This panel is where Waze shows the place information connected to the location you clicked. Depending on your screen size, you may need to focus on the side panel carefully so you don't miss the available tabs or options. In that left side panel, click on Photo. This is where you'll be able to find the place photo associated with that location. If photos have been added for that place, they should appear there for you to view. And that's it. That's how you find the place photo in Waze using the Waze map editor. Just open the editor, search for the place, select it on the map, and then use the photo section on the left-hand side to view the images. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.